you know?
You don't really like that song, do
I
you?
do like that song.
It's a good song.
Very good. Charles, you're all right.
All right, guys, I miss you.
No,
Glad
you're
to be
staying
back.
around for a while.
Oh, okay,
I
good.
don't know.
I don't know. I'm following directions.
Apparently, we're keeping you.
Okay, good.
Right. The president is hosting leaders of the manufacturing sector at the White House a little later on today. Marlin Steel's chief executive, Drew Greenblatt, joins us now. I believe I'm not sure you're going to be at the White House later on, but he's certainly joining us right now. Drew, the president's been making a push for manufacturing. You're a steel kind of guy. Do you want steel import tariffs?
Well, we are very excited about the future of the economy. Manufacturers in general are over 90%. And matter of fact, the president is embracing manufacturing. 2 of our employees will be in the Oval Office today when he's making some announcements about manufacturing. One of his big initiatives is tax reform, which I had the privilege of welcoming him to the National Association of Manufacturers board meeting last week, 7 days ago, where he announced tax reform. It's going to be tremendous for our nation. We're really poised for great things. Our nation's like a coiled spring. The American manufacturing renaissance is really going to happen. And this president's plan for tax reform is going to do wonders for getting this economy really rocking.
Well,
we're very excited.
I got it, but I have to ask you, there has been some talk about putting tariff barriers on imported steel because maybe they're dumping it on us. Would you like to see barriers, tariffs on imported steel?
So tariffs, there's some industries that are negatively impacted, some industries that are positively impacted. We have to study this more carefully. The bottom line is that the tax reform plan that the president is pursuing is going to do such wonderful things for our nation. That's what we should be focusing on today, because I believe today is Manufacturing Day, and that's going to have a huge impact. Right now we have massive dislocation where Canada is charging a 15% tax on their factories, and in America we're charging 40%. That's just not tenable for our small and medium-sized manufacturers. And our nation's going to really prosper. We're going to be hiring a lot of talent to keep up with all the increasing demand with this new initiative.
Hold on a second, Drew. If you get the tax cut that's being talked about, you will go out and hire more people for your steel company. Is that correct?
Absolutely. And more importantly, we're already doing it because he announced it a couple days ago. We're all in. We're spending $1.2 million. We have construction workers at our facility today making additions, knocking down walls, moving machines around to accommodate the surge in business that we're anticipating. Optimism is over 90% for the manufacturers, 3 quarters in a row. We're fired up. Manufacturers are enthusiastic about the future, and this is before the tax cuts are installed, which are going to happen this year. We're very optimistic.
Okay.
It's an exciting time for the American manufacturing renaissance.
Drew, I can tell you're all pumped up, and I don't blame you. Thank you very much for joining us, sir. Big day today. Thank you, sir. Got it.
Thank you.
I am just fascinated by